right? So Control C, Control V, rename this to values, or value, excuse me, hide it. Go ahead and make an iteration, an instance of that new label. So this is now values. Connect in the value to the value. Right, now we need to iterate it. So we're going to make an object list here. I'm going to take the name from here and make that values. And now we have it here, values. So we connect this into our iterator, our object instancer. And now we do the same thing, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Control C, Control V, drag them down. Increment the index, connect the math to the math, connect the objects to the objects to the objects, and the data to the index. Now we adjust its positioning. So we have to add, let's try 4. Let's bring it right in line here, so let's do 5. Let's do 4.5. Now we've just added the VTP domain by copy and pasting existing working code and objects. And that, everyone watching, ladies and gentlemen, is the last piece of information for the switch stacks. So now if I go into here and maybe make this as big as I can, and I change my view to be front, here is the topology view, and let me turn off the grid, where we have our parent switch that has 2 wires that go north to routers that connect, right, these interfaces, and then they also go east and west over to switches. Now they sort of stack up on each other, but we can do this and look at the individual switches.